breathe in and be brave. Positive thinking, a little closer every day. You'll find it within, you'll find it within. She might feel the same, get out there, get your shit together. Then you can say at least I've tried with the first step.
Good morning everyone, and welcome back to Contemporary Mama. If you're new, my name is Carolyn. Thank you so much for checking out my channel. I hope you'll consider sticking around and subscribing. And if you do, make sure that you introduce yourself in the comments all the way at the bottom so that I can get to know you. So as you already know, today I'm doing another day in the life. I haven't done one of these since April, I believe, and our routine has changed so much since then. So I thought I would do an updated one of these so you can see what we are up to now that I have a non-napping child. Yeah, my son Jake, he's 3.5, has pretty much dropped his nap with the exception of the occasional car nap or stroller nap. And then my daughter Brooke, come here honey. My daughter Brooke, who's 1.5 years, has switched from 2 naps to 1 nap. So I have a lot less free time on my hands. So our days are much busier than they used to be. So we do have some fun stuff planned. We're just gonna be hanging at the house for the morning. It's actually raining outside. And then after my daughter naps, we are gonna be going out and doing a bunch of things. So I'm gonna bring you along. I hope you enjoy this day in the life vlog, and I will see you soon. Jake, put those back.
No, let's eat pizza for breakfast.
We're not having pizza for breakfast.
Yes, we do.
No, honey.
Mama, mama, mama.
You want water, Brooke?
Let's eat pizza for
We're not having pizza, so pick something else. Put that back right now. Jacob Ryan, put the popsicles back before they melt.
Okay.
Yeah, they're gonna melt and then we won't be able to eat them. Why don't you pick out something good for breakfast? You guys want some pancakes?
No.
Brookie says she does.
Okay. And then this.
You want these pancakes? Okay, we'll have these, baby.
Sorry.
I'm not having potatoes. You're being a silly goose.
No, I'm not.
And these?
Okay.
Come on. Look, you think it's okay to have popsicles for breakfast, but it's not.
Moving up, don't let it slip. Oh, oh, you're the one who writes your script. Oh, oh, we stumble and we fall back on our feet from the first step that we take. It's always something, there's always something in the way. Million excuses to take, but once you get there, it'll be worth that little while. It's better to try and fall than not to try at all. She might feel the same, get out there, get your shit together. Then you can say at least I've tried with the first step. Oh, oh, moving up, don't let it slip. Oh, oh, you're the one who writes your script. Oh, oh, we stumble and we fall back on our feet from the first step that we take. 100 feet away, I've never been closer. The daydream every day as I'm...
So I am going to make myself an iced coffee this morning. I have been loving this Trader Joe's coconut cold brew concentrate, and it is really strong. So when it says to really dilute it, you really have to dilute it or else it's totally undrinkable. So I am going to be mixing this with some water and some almond milk.
there. There's Mom. Okay. Can you buy that? Hmm? What does Brooke have in her hand?
Mommy sprayer.
Sprayer?
Mommy sprayer. That.
With some necklaces?
That.
Okay, 9:15, and these two rugrats already are having a snack, or two snacks.
Getting older. With the first step, moving up to let it slip. You're the one who writes your script. We stumble and we fall back on our feet from the first step that we take.
I've seen your face only once this weekend. You keeping busy, always things to do. Our situation still undecided. None of us knows what we wanna do.
So we are in the car, and we are going to be headed to my favorite coffee shop. We are going on a big family vacation at the end of the week, and there are going to be 6 toddlers on this trip. So we definitely need to stock up on coffee, and this coffee shop roasts all their own beans, and it makes the best coffee. So I am heading there to pick some up so we can bring it on our vacation so that the adults can be able to function. So we are actually at the drive-thru right now. I'm being a lazy mom because we are going on vacation. I'm trying not to buy that much food this week, so I'm getting them Happy Meals for lunch. They can eat them in the car on the way to the coffee shop, and then we are going to be hitting up the splash pad because that is right nearby before Jake goes for his Taekwondo lessons.
It happened last week when I stopped by your place. My hands were shaking when I rang your bell. And out of all the things we thought could happen, we ended up naked in your bed. If you show me this, I'll give you that. Everything we ever wanted, and this, for what it's worth, give it a try. But if we stay like this, then you know what? Then I don't wanna seize the moment. So let's, for what it's worth, give it a try. We can stay up late like if nothing
So it's almost 8 o'clock and the sun is about to go down. I'm exhausted, but I really want to thank you so much for spending the day with me and my family. It means so much to me when you guys watch my videos. So if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you on Friday with a brand new video. Bye!
Show me